This is Big Island Video News for Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. The elevated unrest to the southwest of Kilauea's summit prompted a detailed information statement from the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory on Monday evening. The volcano is not erupting and the alert level remains at advisory. However, earthquakes increased on Monday afternoon and tremor was observed on seismic stations nearly island-wide from approximately 2:20 p.m. to 3. A magmatic intrusion is occurring beneath the southwest region of Kilauea's summit in the same area where numerous intrusions have been recorded in the past since the 1960s. Only once did it lead to an eruption in the area. In December 1974, scientists say an intrusion began following this path southward, but then erupted as a series of short fissure segments with a total length of 3 miles as it turns southwest. 2 new webcams have been installed to monitor the region of unrest. As far as what residents can expect to happen next, these following 3 scenarios were provided by the observatory. Number 1. Magma continues to accumulate in the region southwest of Kilauea's summit, but eventually stops with no eruption. Scenario 2. Magma continues to accumulate, leading to an eventual eruption inside the caldera. In this scenario, scientists expect to see accelerating rates of ground deformation and earthquakes beneath the summit, 1 to 2 hours before lava reaches the surface. Scenario number 3. Magma continues to accumulate in the same southwest region, with an eventual eruption outside of the caldera to the south or southwest. In this scenario, scientists expect to see earthquake locations migrating away from the summit as they did prior to the December 1974 eruption. Again, accelerating rates of ground deformation and earthquakes would be seen 1 to 2 hours before lava reaches the surface. Hawaii police are reminding the public that aerial luminaries are dangerous and illegal after 3 sky lanterns were found in Kahalu'u on Monday. The small hot air balloons made of paper with an open flame at the base were discovered in Pahala on October 23rd. Police issued a news release the same day. Given the Southern District's history of wildfires and the current drought conditions, the use of aerial luminaries poses a significant fire risk to communities. The Hawaii Police Department is asking that anyone who witnesses any type of aerial luminary being used to call the police non-emergency number at 808-935-3311. Permits to operate surf schools at Kahalu'u Bay will be determined by a lottery in November. The Hawaii Department of Land and Natural Resources announced the lottery will determine the 4 applicants that will receive an ocean waters commercial use permit for surf school operations at the popular Kona Beach. The state says that after the maximum number of permits is reached, the lottery will continue, and remaining participants will be placed on a waitlist in the order of lottery selection in case another applicant drops out. The 4 permitted commercial operators in Zone A of the bay can have no more than 4 students in the water, regardless of the number of instructors in the ocean. Zone A is the only part of the bay where commercial surf instruction is allowed. The Division of Boating and Ocean Recreation will host the lottery on Friday, November 17th at 10 a.m. at the Old Kona Airport Events Pavilion. Hawaii Governor Josh Green on Monday announced 2 nominations to the Hawaii Supreme Court. This video was live-streamed by the Office of the Governor over Facebook.
And so now let me talk a little bit about these 2 extraordinary individuals who I hope will be confirmed by the Senate later this fall in the next, say, about 30 days. These are amazing nominees. Lisa Ganoza and Vlad Devins. These 2 nominees have very different legal backgrounds, and it was their diversity and depth of experience that served as the most compelling reasons to select them. Though they're also just great human beings. They also told extraordinary stories of their upbringing, and I appreciated that. Justice Ganoza went to Kailua High School, went to Oregon State thereafter, and then went to UH for law school. I love the fact that individuals are products of our community, our society. Judge Devins, or hopefully soon to be Justice Devins, has been in private practice, and his extensive labor experience was important to me. We have a great deal of individuals that are in the in labor and public workforce, and I really like to see that additional perspective for our court system. This is my chance to say to the state of Hawaii, I think we have 2 exceptional new leaders coming to the Supreme Court, provided that they do well with our Senate colleagues who we have great respect for.